cleanse my hair, condition and deep condition, and now we're going to do the wash and go. And I am so excited to finally get in wash and go season because the weather is finally breaking. Finally, and it's the middle of April. But nonetheless, it's wash and go season, and this is my spring wash and go. I don't use heavy products. I use two products. I use a leave-in and I use a gel. And the leave-in that I use is the Shea Moisture Low Porosity line. This stuff is amazing. It makes my wash and goes feel very moisturized and soft, and it lasts at least 5 days. I can stretch it to 7 days, but it lasts at least 5 days. So yes, this is the leave-in I'm using. Also, my Eco Gel. This is the Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. So these are the only two products that I will be using for my wash and go. And also, of course, my oil mixture Distillin. What I like to do, I like to spray my hair with water because, again, with low porosity hair, your hair has to be wet in order for the products to absorb. So I make sure that my hair is wet before I apply anything. The leave-in. And then I apply my oil mixture. More water. And then my handy dandy gel. I got this from my local beauty supply store. Split it again to make sure it's defined, and this is how I get my wash and goes to last. Just a little thought that I've been having, like thinking about my whole natural hair journey and everything. I wish, like, when I first went natural, when I started to transition, because that's what I did, I transitioned, I didn't big chop or anything. I wish I wish I knew what I know now. Like, you have to know your hair porosity, because I wasted a lot of money on products because I was on YouTube, watching videos and watching natural hair influencers on YouTube that, would suggest products, and, when they would do their hair, they would, use particular products, and it's like, oh, well, I can use that product too. And then I will go out and buy the product, and it wouldn't work for my hair. And it was because I didn't know that, our hair is different, and it's important to know your hair. It's important to, like, at least the basics. Like, when you're transitioning, I don't think you can really know the porosity of your hair because you're dealing with two different hair textures and two different hair types. So I don't think it's possible, but also not using people who are completely naturals tips and, like, their suggestions as, like, the holy grail, as, like, you have to do it. Because I wasted a lot of money. On products that just didn't work with my hair, or, like, I wasn't using it the right way. Like that's something I wish, like, I knew from the beginning, because it would have saved me a lot of headache, it would have saved me a lot of trouble. But at the end of the day, like, I don't regret anything. Like, I enjoy my journey, and I'm still learning. Honestly, like, I'm still learning my hair. I'm still learning what works for me, what don't work for me, what I should do, what I shouldn't do. Like, I'm still learning. I've been natural for 3.5 years now. This wash and go is going to turn out bomb. I can see it already. I can see it already. Going natural has helped me discover my passion, like what I want to do for a living. Like, that's the biggest reward that I got out of, you know, making the decision to rock my natural hair, not knowing like what it was going to look like, not knowing like the end result. Like, just rocking my natural hair, just making the decision to go natural has, you know, awakened my purpose in life, has awakened what I want to do for a living. And I am completely grateful for that. Talking about hair, helping people with their hair, helping people get through their process, like finding new ways to take care of it without spending an arm and a leg. Like, everything about my natural hair journey has given me a purpose. Like, I say that to say, like, whatever you want to do, do it. Any idea that you have, any choice that you want to make, do it, because you never know what comes out of it. Like, you never know if that one decision is going to be the best decision of your life. Like, especially if you're trying to find your purpose in life, especially if you're trying to figure out, you know, why you're on this earth, or like if you don't feel fulfilled at your 9 to 5 or 8 to 4, whatever. Like, think of what makes you happy. Think of like what you enjoy doing and do that. Because the people that you're working for, they're living their dream. They're living their life. So, I mean, you have to go for it. You have to, like, just leap. Just take the leap. And it's going to be bumps. You're not going to know everything. You're not going to know, like, if you're even doing it right, if you're even going about it the right way. But that's journey, honestly. Like, even the times that I feel I'm not doing enough, or the times that I feel that I'm not making a big enough impact, or like I'm not going or growing as fast as I want. It's all about enjoying your journey, like appreciating your journey. Because honestly, God knows what He's doing. Everything happens for a reason. Everything happens when it's supposed to. As long as you keep pushing, as long as you keep working, you will reach your destination. If it's meant for you, you will reach it. No matter how saturated that particular industry is, like, no matter what, if you want to be a natural hair influencer, a makeup influencer, if you want to have your own t-shirt company, your own fashion line, like, make movies, be an artist, like, if no one else believes in you, you have to believe in you. Because it's your road, it's your destiny. What products do you use for your wash and go? Like, do you use a cream, like, for your spring and summer wash and goes? How many products do you use? Like, Do you use a cream? Let me stop saying a wash and go first of all. This is not a wash and go. Like this, there needs to be a new name for this, like a wash and style, wash and natural curl style, something, because it's not a wash and go. You see me doing my hair. Ain't no point did I ever do a wash. I literally wash and go. Cannot do that. But anyway, back on subject. What products do you use for your wash and go? Because I want to try out different ones. Like I mainly use the Shea Moisture Low Porosity line because I'm low porosity and I know that's definitely going to work. I'm going to try the As I Am Long and Luxe just to leave in, because I tried the Long and Luxe leave-in with the cream and the gel, and my hair, I don't know, it was dry. It was dry. But it worked perfect when I do my twist outs. Like for my twist outs, the Long and Luxe line, the As I Am Long and Luxe line, and the Eden Body Works Coconut and Shea line, favorite, hands down, top 2 favorite, neck and neck. But for the wash and go, it didn't like it. So maybe next I'm just going to just try the leave-in conditioner. But what other like products do you use? Final product, and I'm going to let it air dry, but before that I'm going to scrunch this section. And scrunch this section. I'm gonna spray it with water first. And I'm all done with the styling process, and now I'm gonna let it air dry. It's gonna take at least 12 hours. It is now 4 o'clock. I'm not going to stay up to 4 o'clock in the morning for my hair to dry. So I'm gonna go do some running around. That'll speed up the process, because your body, that'll speed up the process a little bit, and then I'll come back in camera and show you the final results. Hey my royals, well thank you so much for joining me in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to go after your goals and your dreams and your purpose, to find your purpose. I hope that it also helped you with your summer spring washing goals. Again, the leave-in that I used was the low porosity line from Shea Moisture, and also with my castor and black seed castor oil Eco Styler gel. And the next leave-in I'm going to try is the As I Am Long and Luxe leave-in conditioner, just a conditioner with the gel. So I hope this video helped you. And any staple products for your summer spring wash and go, just comment down below and maybe I'll give it a try to see how it works. And this right here is my 5-day-old wash and go. I'll get about 1 more day out of this. It depends. It's been rainy. It's been rainy. It's been raining today, bad, and then I think it's supposed to be cloudy or raining tomorrow, so maybe I need to touch it up a little bit if if it gets ruined from like the humidity and like the wetness from outside, which I'm sure is going to get messed up. But yes, this is it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you. I hope it helped you, and until next time, my beauties.